What's up everybody, it is Sovik from Startup S5. You are watching my channel Startup S5. Today I'm going to unbox a new headphone that I bought from Amazon. That you see, it's just arrived to my house. It's a prepaid product, but I will mention the price below. Be careful when you cutting this kind of packets. So this is the main box, and this is the bill. I will show you the money, the price of the product. It is $5.99. So this is the main box. It's Realme Buds to feel the real bass, and there is some highlights. There's 11.2 mm bass boost drives, built-in magnets, and dual anti-twing cable and cable organizer. So this force icons means that these 11.2 mm bass drives, it is very good for the bass of the mobile of the headphone. Built-in magnets means it's made with magnet. You can attach them with each other. And this is dual anti-twin cable. It means it is not tangle with each other. It is a tangle free wire. And a cable organizer means you can fold the cable with the organizer to it. And there is some other details about the product. This is barcodes. This is the photo. So let's open the box. You can see that this is the olive green color, and the packaging was really very good. There, how it opens. There is some extra ear tips. It's large, and the small mediums is attached with it. Let's see, there is some documentations or other things. No, there is nothing. No documentation, no other things. Oh, there is the documentation. There is the warranty card or the document. This is the user warranty card. Note something, some highlights, and instructions. What is in the box? It's etc. So let's open it. This was the headphones. The headphone build quality is far different from the first one. The cable, I like to say that the cable was extraordinary. Look at the cable. This is the organizer toolkit. You can fold it like this. You can fold this like this, and then you just take it like this. Attached it like this. So this is a new toolkit, not in the first one. That is not available in the Realme Buds 1. The color variant is also good, and I always said that the wire quality, if you see that the wire quality was really excellent. And this is the magnet tips. This is the vocals, where you can, there is a button minus and plus button, and there is a Realme branding on the vocal here. This wire is made of some nylon. And now the 3.5 mm jack with awesome build quality. Now test the real sound of the product. Here is the mobile, and now we are going to I hope you can heard the sound, but not the sound is a very balanced sound of the product. And the trebles, the bass, everything is in a very good level, and the build quality is also awesome. Everything is outstanding for this product. And I can say that in this price range, the 599 price range, you can get more options, but this kind of product you don't get this kind of products. This is a all scare product. The trebles, the bass, the vocals, all things are under control and on outstanding price. In this price range, this is one of the best products. I would probably say that it is the best product of this price range, and the build quality, everything. I want to give this product a 10 on 10 ratings, because this is awesome. The sound quality and everything, all you can get, everything is awesome in this product. So please, if you want to buy this, I will highly recommended this product to you. No, don't worry about everything. It is outstanding product. You don't get any complaint of this product. And in near future, I will give a compare to I will going to do a comparison between Realme Buds 1 and Realme Buds 2. So you can see those videos as well. Thank you very much. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. If you love the video, please hit the like button and share with your friends. Thank you very much. Thank you. God bless you.